How to download video in Telegram and PC. So let me go ahead and get a video for us. Let's search for Instagram and we have a video right here. So if I want to download this video, all I need to do is click on this video right here. Okay, open this up. I'll mute the sound. But what you can do is come here and click on this option. This is the download option. Okay, just go ahead and click on that and it will start downloading that video. Now, all right, so once it's done downloading, all you need to do is you can come here and hover over those three dots. Then you can click on show in folder. And there you go. This is the folder it will be saved in. It will be saved in your local disk, downloads, Telegram, desktop, and you should see your video. I can go ahead and play this just to show you, right? And he downloaded this as an MP4 file, as you can see, and it's currently loading up. There we go. Okay, it's really that easy and simple.